Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Purple from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the head with a circle at the top. Next, inside, let's add the eyes. Let's draw the first eye with a circle here. And then the right eye with another circle. Now in the left eye, let's add another circle towards the bottom left like this. And the same thing on the right eye. And now let's color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for the head. Let's move underneath and add the body now. Let's start with 2 diagonal lines down here. And then close off the bottom with a U-shaped curve. Okay, next let's move up and draw the arms and hands. Let's start with the left side. On the left side of the head, let's draw 2 lines down like this. Now at the end, let's add a curve. And then 2 more diagonals down. And then a curve at the end to close it off. Next, let's add the fingers on the hand. Start with the curve inside for the first finger, and then draw it outwards like this. Now hop down and draw the next finger. And then 2 more. And now let's erase any of the overlapping lines inside the fingers. Okay, now let's move over and draw the right arm. Underneath the right side of the head, let's draw a long curve down and then curve it in. And the same thing to the right of it. Now let's draw the hand at the end. Let's start with a curve. And then a curve at the bottom to create a dome shape. Next, let's add the fingers. In the center, let's draw a curve and then a finger going down. And now a finger on either side like this. And then 1 more going out on the left. And now let's erase those overlapping lines inside the fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Let's add the legs next. Let's start at the bottom of the body on the left, and we're going to draw a curve up towards the hand and then back down and in. And now let's follow that same curve underneath. Now let's add the foot at the bottom. We'll start with a rounded triangle shape for the foot, like this. And now let's add the toes. On the bottom, let's draw the first toe here. And then 2 more above it. And then 1 more on the bottom like this. And now let's erase those overlapping lines again. Now let's hop to the right and draw the last leg. Let's start on the bottom right of the body, and we're going to draw a curve out and back in like this. And now follow that same curve underneath. At the end, we're going to extend it out and down. And now let's erase any of the lines that we drew over the arm so that the leg is behind the arm like this. Now let's add the foot. Let's draw a rounded triangle shape like the other foot like this. And again, let's add the 4 toes in the same way as the other foot. And lastly, let's erase those overlapping lines again. And that's it for purple. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!